Okay, y'all. Day two, day two. Y'all check out the table. You check out the table. Check out what I've been doing. It's coming together. I'm really loving it. I am truly impressed and excited about since yesterday what has happened. So day two. My goal is today is to continue to sand down some more. I want to pull up some paint over here on this side. I like the effect with the black and the gray and the beige all blending together. Okay, this is the look that I'm looking for. This is also, I want to show you all this is my the leaf that goes in the middle. Okay, this is the leaf that goes in the middle of the table to expand it. And the next thing I'm going to do is work on the legs. I'm going to work on the corners of the table next. I'm going to work on the corners of the leaf, you know, distress the corners and the sides of the sides of the table, the corners of this table as well. And then I'm gonna work on the legs. I gotta go in the house and I'm gonna get the legs. I'm gonna work on the legs. And after that, I will be working on the chairs and the backings of the chairs and the legs of the chairs. And then from there, eventually, my next step will be to make my bench, but one step at a time. Okay, one step at a time. Now, as I said before, after I finish distressing this table and the chairs and everything, I'm just going to put a beeswax polish on it because I want to keep the natural look of it. I may, before I put the beeswax up there, I may add one color, and I was thinking about maybe adding some blue in it. Then again, I'm not sure. I kind of like it the way it is, so I might just keep it like this. I may add some blue in it. Who knows? We'll just let it go. I'm one of these type of people. I let go and let flow. Step outside the box and see how things flow. Cool beans? Okie dokie. So let's get started. Okay, I'm about to start sanding the legs of the table. I really just want to work on the corners, okay, and maybe somewhat in here a little bit, in the detailing of it. Part 3, I'm working on the chairs. I'm gonna, you know, lighten up my chairs on the corners. And I think I'm gonna pull out do some carving on the back part, I believe. I'm not sure, we'll see.